In conic section, we are done with the parabola and the ellipse, and now we'll be starting the third important component of this chapter, which is hyperbola. Starting with the first problem, we are given an ellipse and a hyperbola, and we are given that the foci of this ellipse and hyperbola coincide. We need to find the value of b square, where b is the length of semi-minor axis for the ellipse, and also we need to find the equation of the director circle for the ellipse. Now for any ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. We know that the focus is plus minus ae comma 0, where e is the eccentricity. And for any hyperbola, x square by capital A square minus y square by capital B square is equal to 1. We have the foci to be equal to plus minus a into capital E comma 0, where capital is the eccentricity for this hyperbola. If these coincide, then we have a into e is equal to capital A into capital E. Now this hyperbola is given to be equal to x square upon 144 by 25, which is the capital A square, minus y square upon 81 upon 25, which is the capital B square, is equal to 1. And we know that capital B square is equal to capital A square times e square minus 1 in the case of hyperbola. So 81 upon 25 is equal to 144 upon 25 into capital A square minus 1. On solving this, we get the value of capital E squared, or rather capital E, to be equal to 15 upon 12 or 5 by 4. Now substituting the values, we have small a to be equal to 4 into small e is equal to capital A, which is 12 by 5 into 5 by 4. This is 3. So we get the value of small e to be equal to 3 by 4. And we know that small b square is equal to a square times 1 minus small e square for an ellipse. We have a square to be equal to 16 into 1 minus e square, which is 1 minus 9 by 16, that is 7 by 16. Hence the value of b square comes out to be equal to 7. This is the answer for our first part. Now we need to find the equation of director circle for an ellipse. Now for an ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. The equation of director circle comes out to be equal to x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. This is an important formula and you should remember this formula. We did a similar type of formula for the director circle in case of a circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. The director circle in that case was x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. You should know what is a director circle. Director circle is the locus of a point, an external point from where two perpendicular tangents are being drawn to a curve. So for an ellipse, it is x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. So the equation becomes x square plus y square is equal to a square r is 16, and we got b square to be equal to 7. So the equation of director circle is 16 plus 7, this is 23, and hence the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 23. And for our first part, the answer was b square is equal to 7, and these are our final answers.